This is presented by HPS Connect, Japanese freight forwarder.
Hi.
Hello, it's Ino.
Hello, it's Haru.
Haru-san,
Mhm.
I have a big announcement.
Again?
Big announcement.
You did big announcement like few times ago.
Yes.
Few days ago. Yeah.
Again.
Again, okay.
This time, I want to say
Mhm.
we opened the branch in Japan.
Wow.
Yeah, and then we do freight forwarding business in Japan as well.
That's a big announcement.
It is. So far, I have been freight forwarding business in Thailand.
In
only.
Thailand only, yes.
But we opened the branch in Japan and we do freight forwarding and can support in Japan side.
Wow.
Mm.
See, this is why I'm here to talk with Ino-san. I'm a director of Japanese branch. So we are here in Thailand to attend the freight forwarding conference.
Conference, yes. I want to explain a little bit about freight forwarding.
Yeah.
Freight forwarding is like a logistics, export side, import side.
Mhm.
We need a partner.
Right.
Mm.
That's right.
This conference is to find a good partner.
I see.
Mm.
So there are many freight forwarders who are trying to find a Thai agency or Japanese agency
In the world.
in the world.
Yep.
Nice.
So this time, like so many freight forwarder in the world
Yeah.
join this network.
More
1,500 people.
right.
Wow. So many people join this network, and then from really all over the world. So like this time we will have how many meetings?
We're gonna have 55 meetings and from 23 different countries, and all the partners or attendees are executives, so CEO or directors level. Yeah.
Yes, like she will have a meeting, 55 meeting in 3 days.
Oh, yeah.
So it's gonna be tough.
Yeah, but I'm gonna enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's very important to find a good partner, a good agent, because like okay, Japan side, okay, we can support.
Yes, I can support your business.
Yeah. So maybe you guys find maybe Japanese customer, consignee or shipper in your country, and then okay try to get the job. And then Japan side, okay, let us know.
Let us know.
Okay, we give the rate or transportation in here, and then custom clearance.
Yeah.
So also if you need warehouse, okay, we can prepare.
The good thing that I've noticed that is there are less freight forwarder from Japan. There are only me and other company who are attending the conference this time. So there are only few.
Yeah,
Japanese
unfortunately or fortunately for us, I mean, we don't know. But in actual, Japanese freight forwarder is not that much. Actually, very few in the conference.
Yeah.
Maybe this is an English issue or maybe a communication issue. I don't know. But we join.
Yeah. I do love speaking English. I do love communicating with people. So if you do have any business, I can support your business in Japan. So.
Yeah. So please feel free to contact to us for this freight forwarding job. So any small question or whatever, everything is okay. So Haru-san will take care.
Yes. And he can take care in Thai
Yeah,
area.
Thai as well. Okay, this is a good announcement. We opened a branch in Japan, and then we can support you from to Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are looking forward to your contact. Right.
Maybe you can comment here
Here.
in the video, right?
Yeah. Please.
Perfect.
Yeah. All right. This time is finished. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye bye.